In this problem, we'll take a look at some of the terminology associated with lean operations in the Toyota production system. So we'll be given descriptions for all of these key concepts here: the Anton cord, Haijunka, Jidoka, just-in-time, Kaizen, Kanban, Muda, and the single-minute exchange to die, or SMED. So we'll be given descriptions and be asked to match each of these with the concept it is describing. So let's take a look. The first one, A, is engaging frontline employees in process improvement by seeking their improvement ideas and empowering them to change the process. And this particular one is referring to the concept of Kaizen, incorporating the employee in this process. Second, making production problems visible and stopping production upon detection of defects. This one is the concept of Jidoka. C, some examples of this concept include making more than is needed, piles of parts waiting to be processed, and workers searching for the right tool. So all of these are examples of waste, or Muda. A system that enables a line worker to signal that he or she needs assistance from his or her supervisor, for example, in the case of a defect. And this is the use of the Anton cord. E, the idea of synchronizing production flow with demand. And this is the idea of just-in-time. A method that controls the amount of work-in-process inventory. And this is the idea of Kanban and the use of Kanban cards, which is really only authorizing work based on demand. G, if an automotive assembly plant used this technique, the adjacent cars on an assembly line would be mixed models in proportions equal to customer demand. And this is an example of Haijunka, which is really that mixed model production. And then the last one, reduce setup time is by performing parts of the setup tasks while the resource is still producing, ideally reducing that setup time to less than 10 minutes. And that's the idea of this single minute exchange to die.